PMI Structures was founded in 1951 by my grandfather Raymond, and it was at the time a small machine shop. In 1988, my father Jean took over. Over the years, the company has evolved to become the reference in the design, fabrication, and erection of steel structures adapted to the needs of our customers. Company's growth continued with the acquisition of Prometek in 2016, enabling us to diversify our customer base and meeting growing demand in the energy sector. Today, I am deeply proud to rely on the collaboration and the excellent work of over 100 employees spread over 2 production sites.
The PMI Structures plant specializes in heavy and complex structures, while the Prometek plant specializes in transmission towers and electrical substations. Our plants are equipped with 7 CNC machines, some of them are Ficep. 35 manual workstations complete the workshops for activities such as welding and shipping.
The main objective of the project were to digitize and align our business processes to ensure digital continuity of exchanges with existing systems, to achieve productivity gains and to ensure better monitoring of our operations, to ultimately increase our production capacity. The main challenge of the project was to secure the organizational capacity needed to design and implement the project over a period of almost 2 years. Hence the need to choose the best possible partner in this context.
We had identified 3 potential solutions and opted for an evaluation process that involved a series of live demonstrations with the same scenarios imposed on the respective sales teams. We unanimously chose to carry out our project with Steel Projects because of their organizational capacity to develop and support their solution, which Didier, Sylvain, and Cédric demonstrated to us in pre-sales. Indeed, the ability of choosing service provider to develop our specific requirements was crucial for us.
We use over 80% of the functionalities available in Steel Projects PLM Solutions, which covers our projects, purchasing, inventory, manufacturing, packaging, and shipping processes. In addition to essential features such as section and plate nesting and CNC machine programming, we also benefit from new features developed especially for our project, such as multi-company mode, which simplifies our inter-factory manufacturing exchanges, or the inspection and non-conformity management on the Android mobile application.
First of all, we were able to quickly measure the initial benefits in terms of steel saving and productivity gains. Moreover, we now have a very precise view of what's going on in the workshop, so we can react as quickly as possible when necessary, as well as track the progress and manufacturing times of jobs. For example, we can monitor the times worked by our operators, enabling us to check our performance in real times.
I'm one of those people who's always asking for more in terms of functionality from the product committee and the 20 or so Steel Projects developers who respond to customer requests when it's in the interest of the greatest number. This is why the Steel Projects PLM solution offers the prospect of a lasting partnership. My next expectations in terms of functionalities are for global planning and the management of maintenance activities in our facilities.
Driving change with users is always a challenge, because the first reflex is to want to reproduce the existing system, which is comfortable and well mastered. But when we explain the reasons for the change to users, we manage to get them to use a new tool as it should be used. We then encountered a few difficulties with the alternation of units of measurement between the metric and imperial system, but the team rose to the challenge.
What I personally retained from the project is the dynamic collaboration with Sylvain, Boone, Cédric, Federico, Simon, Pamela, and Didier, who were more visible, as well as with the entire Steel Projects team behind them, who rallied to enhance the user experience throughout the project. Despite the difficulties we encountered, we always felt a real focus on customer satisfaction, and that makes all the difference.
Yes, without a doubt, the positive go-live experience is the result of a concerted preparatory effort. Many thanks to Steel Projects for their efficient intervention in our organization. You are a supplier of choice. We work with highly skilled collaborators, and together we form an incredibly efficient project team.